Hey guys, RR Expert here. Let's do some scalps and show you the evidence of my teachings. It really baffles me what some people say, you know, and what they comment. It really baffles me, man, that people have been like manipulated in thinking trading is some kind of algorithmic thing, you know. It's just, and they even swear by it, but they're not showing any proof. So my first trade's always like a extremely very high probability trade, you know, where I just try to scalp a bit more, you know, and then I'm just gonna try to look for $30, $40. Yeah, so let's do that. Let's try to do 5 good ones. Let me see, what's the time? Yeah, I think there's pretty good volume today. Also low spread. See, also listen to the things I'm saying. I'm saying low spread, I'm saying volume. I'm not saying gap here or NASDAQ, fair value gap, buy side, sell side, all this garbage. I see so many videos, and I just, I don't know, it's like cringe, you know, people then teaching people. There's a guy who's asking €1,000, dollars, I think it's dollars, to be in his Discord. And he's teaching this garbage to people, like saying when it comes like in discount buy, and then he shows stuff in hindsight. And people pay for this garbage, you know. They pay lots of money for this garbage. I don't know, man. I'm laughing at you guys, man. You guys should do whatever you want. Also, I get a lot of questions from you guys, how I see the markets in the past few weeks. I want to reiterate, for those who are watching these videos, you're only making it harder for yourself when you're going to multiple sources, you know. If somebody believes in this shit and he has some kind of theory about this stuff, yeah, then go and learn from these guys, you know. Don't come in the Discord or DM me. I swear, man, a lot of people, you DM me and say, what do you think of this? What, this guy said this, he said this. I don't care what these people say, man. If you want to understand my teachings, just watch my videos. Yeah. But anyway, how I see market structure, well, I've made multiple shorts about this. I'm going to say it again. There is no, let me see, there is no such thing as market structure. I've shown you the evidence. Shown you the evidence. I mean, how do you want to derive market structure from this, or even this? It's just utterly garbage, man. I don't know why you guys fall for this shit. I'm not looking at that stuff. I'm not saying, oh, there is market structure, you know. I'm just looking now. This is what scalping is. Looking at the 15-second chart, and then just scalp what you see, you know, and based on the things that I'm teaching. I don't understand. I really don't understand, man. You can show me proof, eh? You can send me videos and all this stuff, but believe me, I've seen all the videos about people explaining how the markets work. Well, it's definitely not what ICT is saying. Yeah, ICT is just the biggest scammer in this whole community. And but you know, it's like with everything. Like if you go to a car salesman and he's able to sell you a car, not because of the car itself, but because of the nonsense he's saying, you're gonna believe it. You know, we live in such a world where we just will believe anything people say. That's why you have so many people who invested in the Trump coin, you know. You know that coin, Trump coin? Some people lost hundreds of thousands of money. Same with people like Andrew Tate. You know, first he's grooming girls, then he's grooming boys, and you suckers, you fall for this stuff. And he's becoming rich, and you're becoming poorer, and you're not looking yourself in the mirror and saying, "Hey, maybe I should stop doing this." The same with trading. Yeah, you pay hundreds, some of you thousands of dollars, and you're not even asking yourself why is it not working? Because it is bullshit. But I mean, that's one of my teachings. Activate your fucking brain, man. Use your brain. You know, God has given you a brain. Use it. So again, I want to summarize. I'm not looking at markets. So there is no, I'm not like looking at the higher time frame saying, oh, the price is now going to go up or down. It's just, you're looking in the moment of how these candles are forming. And if you've been watching my videos, when I talk a lot about these wicks, yeah, I don't know why people are not even talking about wicks. It's just, this is how uneducated these people are. Yeah. These people are so uneducated, they don't even understand simple concepts like wicks, you know. But no, instead of talking about what we see, for example, wicks here, no, let's just try to manipulate people into thinking there's some algorithm going on. So I'm going on and on because you guys keep asking me this about this stuff. Yeah? If you stop asking me about this stuff, I don't need to mention them in the videos. So I'm just gonna wait. So the reason why am I not doing entries here, because I did this trade here, and now I just want to see if it wants to leave the area, you know. Just for me, it's gonna be gambling now. If I say, oh, it's gonna go down or up, and then just enter. So I want the price to move, or sorry, to leave this area, and so I'm just waiting for that big candle. So again, I'm just gonna re-enter because I believe the price does want to go up here. And let's see if we can get some of that loss back. Yeah, so I'm just gonna take this because I want to get my previous loss back. And again, I just barely stopped out. If you've been watching my videos, everything I'm doing is based on logic, on the things that I'm seeing on higher time frames, etc. Yeah. So let's look for the next one. This is where a lot of you guys also make mistakes. So you do a trade here, then you send me a screenshot. You say I took a loss here, and then I look at the charts immediately, and then if you would have just re-entered, you could have at least get your loss back, you know. But I think a lot of you people, you should not be trading, man. I think a lot of you, you just don't understand what I'm trying to explain. And I'm open to feedback. Yeah, if something is not clear, you can ask me. But you know, I've been teaching for 40 years. You know, not in this profession, but in a different profession. I think I have a good, you know, like a good sense of teaching. I'm just going to grab this because it's taking too long. So I don't want this. So I wanted to see this candle here when I entered, but so I'm not going to risk it. And again, if you watch my videos, so when it starts doing this, I just want to collapse the trade and get out. I don't care for the price now coming here. My thing is all about risk management. So let me show you something, because you ICT minions, I have a sense that ICT people, they're just stupid people, you know. See this area here, these clustered candles here. Yeah. So people, when I say a high, low, higher high, and then down and breaker comes in this area, oh, it also has a gap. So now we have two confluences. It has nothing to do with this stuff. It has everything to do with this here. Yeah. So where you see candles on the higher time frames, it's not just gonna ram through it. Watch my older videos. Yeah, I'm showing the proof. Yeah. So stop with this stuff, man. Stop sending me this stuff and then not showing the proof. Yeah, it doesn't work like that. What ICT has done, he has just repackaged this, you know, saying it's because of an algorithm. No, it has always been about these candles that are clustered. Yeah, so stop with this nonsense, please, guys. So remember the first trade we did, so we entered somewhere here. So when I'm talking about these extremely high, so I'm using the word extremely high, very high probability, you can see it's already 1 to 5. Yeah, you can do this if you want. Yeah, you can also let them run these very high probability scalps. I'm not talking about the I'm not talking about these small scalps I'm doing here. So for example, wait a minute, let me see how much this is. Nah, this one is going to be big, but let me see. Yeah. So I'm not talking about the smaller scalps we're doing. That's something different. But if you know, for example, where these extremely high probability setups will take place, yeah, you can just let it run, you know, and you do one trade a day, and trust me, you're gonna make I mean, even with paper trading, there's gonna be a lot of return. I'm just going to do this last trade, guys. I wanted to do more, but I'm getting phone calls that I have to go. I just want to give these examples of trades that, in my opinion, they could be easy if you get rid of all the garbage, you know, that is on social media, especially the garbage that's ICT, man. That's if you're interested, just go to the ICT Reddit. There is a Reddit on ICT, and just read the garbage, man, that these people are believing in. It's like shocking, really shocking. So you can see I'm re-entering here. I'm very confident it's not gonna go here first. I'm confident it's gonna go down first because of what I just explained on the higher time frames. So go back. Has nothing to do with the cap. Has nothing to do with I don't know, a breaker, this kind of stuff. Has nothing to do with that shit. Yeah. Anyway, guys, I have to go. Somebody keep calling me. Have a good day, guys. Bye-bye.